So here's another update to what I've been doing. I've turned on the hitboxes and the debug window, and as you can tell, I've unlocked the frames and everything is running. By unlocking the frames, I mean I have allowed it to just draw it as fast as it can. I have been working on making everything frame independent like I should have done in the first place, but yeah, I was an idiot for not doing it. So that's the deal. Let's go ahead and set this to level 4 at least, because then we have enemies and the big laser thing. And let's start the game and see how it runs now that it's frame independent. Right off the bat, shit! No, that got me. That shoot! Oh, that almost got me. Okay, already this is fucking hard. I just realized. Alright, so there's a ship, and it's shooting forward. Oh shit! And that one's shooting at me. God damn, I can't even focus on shit. Like, it seems like the Kana is showing up way more than it should be. You know what? I can shoot these fucking ships. I should just do that. There we go. Oop! Jesus Christ. Right, I'm supposed to be shooting stuff. Heat. Well, it's just... Okay, screw that. Now we're shooting sheet. Alright. Oh, get out of the way of that. That's kind of distracting, isn't it? So let's turn that on. Alright, more sheet. Alright, there we go. Oh, fuck me! It killed me. Anyway, it seems like everything seems to be working, except for one thing. So let's start again. I'm going to be focusing here on where it says CKT, which stands for Correct Kana Timer. When this hits 0, it will produce another Kana. This is Incorrect Kana Timer, which is obviously a lot shorter, because we want more incorrect ones than correct ones. I believe the difference is like 4 to 1. So let's start. Now keep an eye on it. So every time I press a key, it seems like it speeds up, and if I hold a key, it speeds up a lot. So, god damn, I need to put this on an easier level or something. But yeah, but if I don't hold any keys for moving the ship, let's just put me up there. Let's just hold a random key. Apart from me dying, look, they are showing up a lot faster. And I'm not entirely sure why it's doing that. What I might do is, instead of, and yes, I have adjusted that for delta time. But what I might do is make it time-based instead of frame rate based, because it's counting down as fast as it can, but then I'm multiplying it by delta time, which will slow it down relative to, you know, the frame rate. But if I just use time, then I'll say, okay, this many milliseconds goes by, then generate another one. So that's probably going to be what I need to do. And I'm still wondering why holding a key down is causing it to speed up. It's almost like the get event not finding an event is what's causing it to be as slow as it is. But that doesn't make sense, because I figured that it would be the same thing for like the rest of the game. But anyway, that's my theory on that. I have delta time implemented now, and now I just need to adjust things. So yeah, that's that. Bye.